Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Welcome to a little day in the life. I thought that I would vlog today just because I decided that I want to start vlogging more on my channel, just like sharing more of my life. I feel like I have a better connection like with YouTubers that I watch that like share just more of like their everyday life. They vlog a lot more rather than just doing like fashion and beauty videos. So that's the plan. I'm probably going to start with a few daily vlogs and then move into a week in the life. I really want to do a week in the life, but that's a lot of commitment. So we're gonna take it slow. We're gonna start with a little day in the life. I don't really have too much planned, but I am sitting in the parking lot right now of Joann Fabrics. It is bright and early. It is 9:30 in the morning right now. I guess it's not that early, but like to be out at Joann Fabrics, it's pretty early. I just like woke up, decided I wanted to come here. I didn't even wash my face. I did brush my teeth, but I did not wash my face. That's why I look like this. I made a coffee this morning. I made like a pumpkin spice latte at home. I started a budget last night where I like write down all of my expenses that I've spent so far for the month, and the next month I can kind of decide what I want to cut back on. It's already made me realize like how much like the little stuff really adds up, so I'm gonna try to cut back on coffee. But yeah, I'm gonna run into Joann Fabrics right now with all the old people. I was like, I'm literally one of those people right now. I would get so annoyed when I worked in like the food industry or retail when like all the people like wait outside for the doors to open, and it's always the older people, and I was pulling in, I'm like, I'm one of those people right now, and there's like two like older ladies walking in. I was like, this is where I'm at right now in life. So we're gonna go in here and look at their fall stuff and then head back home and probably like read and just have like more of like a relaxed morning. But let's go see what they have. They have a lot of really cute things, but it's like all Halloween for some reason. Like I don't know where their fall stuff is. I've never seen Joann Fabrics have this much Halloween stuff. It's like literally 3 rows of all like spooky stuff. I don't know. Well, that was a fail. They had a little bit, but it wasn't that good, and like their wreaths were ugly or they weren't very folly, so that was kind of a fail, but it's okay. We didn't need to spend any money, but right now I'm just gonna go home. I'm not gonna go anywhere else. I don't need to do any more shopping. I just wanted to stop by Joann Fabrics to see what they had, but I'm gonna go home, make some breakfast, and I think I'm gonna read a little bit. I'm kind of in the mood just to relax, chill. It's Saturday, and just have like a nice cozy morning. Maybe put on the fireplace on the TV. We just put into the gym. Devin's with me. We're gonna go get a little Saturday workout in. This is absolutely something that I need to start doing more. Right now I go like 2 times a week. I really need to go like at least 3 or 4. So we're gonna go get a workout in. Hopefully it's not too busy. It is Saturday, but there's a football game on, so I'm hoping people are watching the game and they're not at the gym. I also have my Alani new energy drink. You guys know I love these so much. I was tired after like reading by the fireplace. I was like super relaxed. Coming to the gym was like the last thing that I wanted to do. But we're here, we're gonna get a good workout in. If you need a sign to go to the gym, this is it. Go to the gym, get up, get your body moving. I think today I'm gonna do arms. Normally I do legs, but I think today's gonna be an arm day. But yeah, let's go get a good workout in. We are back from the gym. I just threw on a little bit of makeup so that way I didn't look so bad. And I just feel like it's one of those days where I just feel like so, I don't know, like I feel like I just needed a little bit of makeup to make myself feel a little bit better. We didn't stay at the gym too long. It's just one of those days where like we just both weren't really in the mood to work out, but something's better than nothing. So we're back now. Like I said, I just got ready a little bit. I'm just wearing my Twin Flames little set, but now I'm about to post an Instagram picture. Devin and I went and took Instagram pictures yesterday, and I actually found one that I like. I actually got one that I like. A lot of times it takes like literally 100 pictures to find one that I like, but this one I actually got a few and we weren't there that long. This is the picture that I got. If you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle on the screen here. It's just Kaylan_Kerbler. So definitely go follow me on there, but I'm about to post on Instagram right now. I just need to think of a caption. Instagram captions are like the hardest thing ever. I don't know why. I just never know what to put. I just always want to put like a bunch of emojis or just something, I don't know, dumb. I'm gonna wait and think about that for a second, but I have my laptop here because I wanted to show you guys my budget. I actually watched a video last night, Natalie Barbu's video of her budget, and I downloaded the template and I kind of did my budget for September. Even though we're like halfway through the month, I like went through everything and like did all my expenses already. I will have the link to the Excel template down below, but I just want to show you guys because I've never actually like budgeted like this before, like where I literally like write down everything, like housing, food, personal care, like transportation, there's miscellaneous, work, so that way you can see exactly how much you're spending a month and then on what. And it also has a pie chart. So this is what it looks like with the pie chart. I just went ahead and added in our rent and our like electric and Wi-Fi bills, so that's the blue, that's why it's taking up most of the expenses. And then these are my expenses for the month so far. So I really like this so far. I think it's definitely gonna help me like stay on track and like just spend a lot less. Like I said, I made coffee this morning instead of going to go buy coffee, just because there's even a spot for coffee, so every single time I go to Starbucks I have to add it into my expenses, and I feel like it's just gonna help me like be more accountable for what I'm spending. So, but I'll link this down below. I've actually been watching a lot of like budget with me's, or like I know some people include this in like their reset routines and their monthly reset routines. So let me know if this is something that you guys would want to see, because I'm definitely going to be doing this every month. So if you guys kind of want to see like a budget with me, or if you want me to include it in like a monthly reset routine, I can definitely start doing those videos. But yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments down below and I will do that. I think I'm gonna go to a coffee shop, take my laptop, and do a little bit of YouTube work. I want to find some new fonts, some new filters, just, you know, all that good stuff, and also go through my analytics, which I definitely need to do a lot more. So I think that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go to a coffee shop, fun Saturday, do a little bit of work, and go get another coffee. I've had absolutely way too much caffeine today, but you have to get a coffee if you go to a coffee shop. Outfit of the day, our room's kind of messy. Oh, hello. Okay, well, outfit of the day, our room's kind of messy, but this is the coziest set ever. You guys know I love twin flames. I wear it all the time. This is Keaton Milburn's brand. It's so comfy and cozy. But outfit of the day, keeping it very comfy. Now let's go get some work done. Girls, hi. Hey girls. I'm back from the store. My camera died when I was in there, so I didn't really get to film too much, but I got a cleaner. This is the Everspring all-purpose cleaner. This is the only angle I have in my kitchen. I'm sorry guys. It's like so tall. I'm just gonna stay on my tippy toes. But this is the Everspring Lemon and Mint all-purpose cleaner. I've been trying to like make an effort to just like be more mindful of, well, one, what I'm putting in my body, but two, also be more mindful of like the cleaners and candles that we're burning. So I've been trying to find cleaner, like just like household products. This is probably not the cleanest thing in the world, but I know it's definitely better than like Clorox. So I got some of that. I got some golden potatoes for dinner tonight. Devin and I have a steak to cook, so I think I'm gonna make like potatoes and steak and broccoli for dinner. I think that'd be good. And then I also got a bottle of wine. I got some Yellowtail because we're on a budget, so we're being bougie on a budget. So we got some Yellowtail Merlot for dinner. We're gonna have a nice fancy dinner, steak and wine. Who are we? But yeah, that's all I got. I did get a good amount of work done. I posted my Instagram picture. I captioned it Saturday things with a camera and the fall leaves, just because I was like wearing a fall outfit. Posted an Instagram picture, worked on some YouTube. I'm in the process of rebranding my YouTube channel a little bit. Just kind of like switching the fonts that I'm using to find, you know, a few that I really like. I'm gonna be consistent with those. And then also like using the same filter on all my thumbnails, just really like making the effort to make it super cohesive, because my YouTube channel now, like all the thumbnails, they're everywhere, just because I experiment all the time with different things to kind of see my click-through rate, what people are clicking on more. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to include the clip I filmed earlier where I showed you guys that I'm babysitting my parents' animals right now because they're out of town. So it's a zoo in here. Like, actually, we have a parrot in here. This is Kita. This is our African gray parrot. She's like my bird, but she lives with my parents. She's kind of like the family bird. She talks. I'm sure you guys have maybe heard her in the background just like making sounds. She talks. She says words all the time. She knows about 2,000 words. See, she's just making noises right now. But she mumbles a lot, but then she also says like a lot of like actual real words. We don't really have a spot for her, so she just kind of sits on our island. And then we have the dogs. This is my parents' dog, Macy. I'm sure you guys have seen her in my videos. And then obviously our dog, Maya. If you guys are new here, this is our dog, Maya. Macy, Macy. Hey, easy. Don't hurt her face. Don't hurt her face. Sit. Good girls. Wow, you look so pretty on camera, girls. You look so pretty. Woo! And then we have a rabbit, Lola, which you guys saw earlier. She's Maya's sister. They literally look identical, but her cage, her litter box is really dirty. I need to clean that right now, so I'm not gonna show you guys. But yeah, like I said, it's literally a zoo in here right now. I think right now I'm just gonna kind of like clean up a little bit. It's so crummy down here from her. She like eats and then gets crumbs everywhere, and then she flaps her wings and then it gets the crumbs everywhere even more. And then I think Devin just made some food. Not throwing any shade, but he doesn't get the nickname Crumbs for no reason. He's very crummy when he eats. So I'm just gonna like quickly pick up. I'm not gonna show you guys that just because I feel like in every video I'm always cleaning, like my reset routine, my productive days, it's always just like cleaning. So I'm just gonna quickly like wipe everything down before dinner and then pour myself a glass of wine. But I just kinda wanna pick up so that way it's not like too messy down here before we cook. No.
No. No. Yeah. Why not?
No. Apartment is clean. I'm just pulling up the recipe for dinner right now. I'm going to attempt to make this. Recipe says it's foolproof, but it's like a garlic butter steak with like roasted golden potatoes. It literally looks so delicious. You guys can see. So good, right? So Devin and I, we do eat meat, but I'm not going to show me cooking this because for me personally, like I said, we eat meat, but when I see someone else like cooking on YouTube and like you can see the raw meat, it kind of grosses me out for some reason, even though like I said, like I do eat meat. So just for everyone's viewing experience, I'm not going to show myself cooking this just because I know there's a lot of people that watch my videos that don't eat meat and the sight of meat just kind of grosses them out. So I'm just gonna kind of skip past that part because we are cooking a raw steak with this. I'm very excited. We're gonna have a nice dinner. I have my glass of wine. It's like very yellow in here, like the sun is setting. We have a candle lit, so the vibes are good right now. Dinner is done. This is what it looks like. I have not tried it, but Devin said it's really good. It's the garlic butter steak with potatoes. We have some roasted broccoli, a baguette with a little bit of butter. I have my wine here, and we're about to watch some Money Heist. We've actually already seen it, like probably a year ago whenever it first came out, but they added a new season, and it's been so long that like we didn't really, like we know the gist of it, but we didn't really remember like all the details. So we decided to completely start it over. So we're on the 7th episode of the first season. Money Heist is so good. If you guys have not watched it, I really recommend it. The only thing is like it was filmed, I believe, in Spanish, so the words don't match up because it's an English voiceover. But other than that, it's really, really good. But I cannot believe so many new Netflix shows are coming out with like new seasons, which is so exciting. Lucifer just came out with another season, even though they had just came out with season 5. So if you guys have not seen Lucifer, that's a really good one. I know You season 3 is coming. I am very excited for that. I love You. That's like my show. Devin doesn't watch that one. So I know that's coming out with a new season. I know Dexter's coming out. What else is coming out? I feel like so many Netflix shows have new seasons coming out, which is really exciting. So we're gonna watch this, but if you guys have any Netflix recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. We're always looking for new Netflix shows. Like I said, I really recommend this one. If you guys haven't seen Dexter, which I'm sure you guys have, Dexter, You, Ginny and Georgia, Lucifer. But yeah, those are my recommendations if you guys haven't seen those shows. We love like almost like the crime kind of mystery type shows. We're gonna watch our episode, eat some dinner, and then after that, I don't know what we're gonna do. Devin's probably gonna go upstairs. I might do a little face mask. We'll see. But for now, we're gonna eat our dinner and watch some Money Heist. This is one of the reasons why Devin and I had to get a bigger couch, because she takes up so much space. I mean, come on. Dinner, by the way, 10 out of 10 recommend. It was so good. I'll link it down below for you guys. If you guys do eat meat, you guys do like steak, I'm telling you guys, it was the best homemade steak I've ever made, and it was so easy to do. It was foolproof like the recipe said. So yeah, I really recommend that. My lips right now, they don't really look purple, but I feel like they kind of like look funny from the wine. I don't know how people drink red wine around people. Like if I'm around somebody, no way can I drink red wine. I don't really drink too often, but I would never drink red wine in the crowd, because is it just me, or like does anyone else get like the wine mustache, and my teeth like kind of get red, my tongue does, and then my lips also get red and I look crazy. But also everyone's just asleep right now. But Devin ended up going upstairs to do more work. I'm just sitting on the couch watching The Walking Dead, just relaxing a little bit. It's so nice. I made a little bit of tea. I made some nighty night tea, which is basically, oh, I almost spilled it, like a chamomile tea, except it's too hot to drink. So made some tea. I think that I'm just gonna kind of wrap up the vlog here. I was gonna like do skincare and stuff, but honestly, I'm cozy. I'm on the couch. I think I'm just gonna watch some TV and then go to bed. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely gonna start vlogging more. I think I definitely want to do more week in my lives or weekends in my life. I think those would be a little bit more interesting than like just the days in my lives. But yeah, I'm just excited to start vlogging more. Like I said, I just want to start like building more of a connection with you guys and just more of a relationship. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. We are so close to 6,000 subscribers. It's huge and we're finally growing, which just makes me so happy, because this is what I want to do. This is what I love. This is what I'm passionate about. So, and leave any videos that you want to see down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.